How to turn off Twitter Autoscroll on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Twitter application on your phone. You are now in the Twitter homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Twitter. Scroll down and open any video from here. You might notice that Autoscroll is on. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Select Auto Advance from the options to disable it. If you want to enable it, then tap on the three dots and select Auto Advance again. You can enable or disable it anytime you want according to your preference. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Twitter Autoscroll on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.